Myth number 8, paying a debt erases the debt from the credit report. Unfortunately, this is not true. Negative accounts will stay on the credit report for 7 years from the delinquency, whereas a positive account helps you for a longer period of time. A positive account will actually stay on the credit report for 10 years from the closure of that account. It's possible you may even see it on your credit report longer. This is a myth primarily due to misinformation found on the internet that states when a collection account is paid, it automatically is removed from the credit report. It also has become a myth recently due to the Vantage score algorithm, which shows an increase in credit score when a collection account is paid. However, this is not true for the FICO algorithm that is utilized to qualify borrowers for different lending opportunities. So when a negative account is paid, it does not automatically become removed from a credit report to help the credit score. This myth gets further perpetuated due to the Vantage score algorithm. When a negative account is paid in the Vantage score algorithm, it no longer negatively impacts credit scores. This unfortunately is not true for the FICO score algorithm, which is what's used to qualify a consumer for lending. So if you were planning on paying a negative debt on your credit report in the hopes of helping your credit score, or in the hopes of getting that account removed from your credit report, it may be best to save the funds. You may be able to utilize it elsewhere, like a down payment for a new home.